The versatility of custom glass allows homeowners to incorporate it into various design elements, offering endless possibilities. Today, we're talking to the experts at Demers Glass to get a closer look at how custom glass can transform your space.
Glass can transform a space to make it look more luxurious, much larger, depending on exactly what type of glass you put in. For instance, if you do a mirror, it could double, triple size that room. As far as glass dividers, it could make it look a lot more elegant. Good case in point is a shower enclosure. You can take a normal bathroom, install a nice glass shower enclosure, frameless, and really enhance that space. Pretty much anything the customer wants, we're able to handle. Anything from a simple glass replacement in the curio cabinet to entire shower enclosures in their home, new windows and doors, commercial buildings up to multi-stories. One of the things that we do not do here is auto glass. We've been in business for 46 years. We started back when my dad started the company, Gene Demers. Now it's down to us three brothers, keeping customers satisfied with the products that they recommend and help design things for some of the customers as well.
The special portions of working with family is not only integrity, but we all have similar mindsets and direction of where the company is going. We treat all of our employees as if they were family members. We try to expend that same courtesy to our customers that come in. We handle all aspects of the glass business. Anything from a standard residential home glass replacement to storefront strip malls, to curtain wall office buildings, to multi-level multifamily buildings, to bullet-rated assemblies, to window film, solar screens, sunscreens, retractable screens, residential window repairs, residential window replacements. We have shower doors, custom, semi-frameless, frameless. We have tabletops, you have mirror walls. We can install mirror walls on the dance hall studios with cutouts for receptacles and or light switches. If you have a custom or technical project that you're thinking about having done and you want help designing the project, we are here to help. We're going to be able to tell you what you can and cannot do. There are going to be limitations based on the manufacturer or the glass fabricator or the system in general, but we can help with that. We can point you in the right direction. The quality is second to none. It's some of the best products that are out there on the market is what we use. We try not to supply or offer some of the low-end items because we want our customers coming back. We want them coming back because they want more or they want to refer us to other people that want the similar products.
Installing glass requires precise measurements and expertise. A skilled professional will ensure proper fitting and a seamless installation.
Using experienced installers is very important. From measuring the window to installing it, if the measurements are not right to the start, then nothing goes correct. What makes us good is we get it done as the GCs ask. When they give us a deadline, we hit it. Knowing that we could tackle a large project and then step away from that and complete your home as well, that should instill a lot of confidence in a homeowner.
Being family-owned means they treat everyone like family, especially their customers.
They just really are great to work with. Demers is one of your companies down here that's one of my very favorite that I've done anything with. After all the work we've done on our home, it was probably the least stressful experience that I've had. And we had everything done that you can imagine. If you're thinking about windows, they are fantastic, and I would definitely give them a shot. They do care. They have that old-fashioned gumption still, and it's really nice.
Whether used in small decorative accents or larger architectural features, custom glass can add a touch of sophistication and visual appeal to any home.
We pride ourselves on helping customers design their space. We'll come out to your home, we'll look at the area that you'd like to do or the idea that you have, and we'll make suggestions of what can and can't be done, and we'll help you design it. We'll provide a drawing, and then we move on from there with the order process.
We've been around for a long time, since 1977, and through that time we've evolved. You may choose to use the guy that's working on the back of his pickup truck for a price point, but are they going to stand behind their product? Are you going to have to go look at the next corner to see if this guy is set up on that corner? Or are you going to be able to come to our establishment that's solidified and we'll be able to take care of you right away?
Want to know more about Demers Glass? Visit demersglass.com and visit us at designingspaces.tv.